Hlieb Stepanenko from Ukraine. And you can hear in full voices Ukraine's team all supporting each other. Little look up to that crowd from Hlieb Stepanenko. And off we go. What a day for these young men and women. Oh, nice, there you go. A dig to the body there coming from Akhmadzhon. But as he did that, Hlieb went in on that takedown. Oh, he's got to be careful of the armbar. And Akhmadzhon, those legs across, trying to stretch his opponent. Might go belly down here. Stacking up his opponent now is Hlieb. And that's the key. He's got to get his elbow free, or he's got to stop Akhmadzhon from being able to hyperextend and get his hips into the armbar. And now just shrugging bit by bit, trying to free his arm, make some space and escape this threat. This Hlieb. If you're on the bottom, if you can still just control that wrist. Just wait for your opportunity to extend. But look at the composure from Hlieb. Trying to do everything he can to free that arm without putting it in danger. And from this position, it'll be very, there's no way the referee can separate them because there is a threat. There is a submission attempt, which would be on should Akhmadzhon be able to extend now. Now we've changed it up. Referee talking to the young fighter Hlieb, and that's a little bit of confusion there. I think he thought the guy was verbally tapping, but no, just communicating with the referee. Ukraine's coaches want Hlieb just to keep shrugging and moving, trying to free that arm up. But this has pretty much been 2 and a bit minutes now with this arm attack, this arm lock attack coming from Akhmadzhon. And he just needs to hang on to this. That's all he needs to do, because right now, all the danger is coming from his side. Oh, that wrist is slowly coming free though. Bit by bit, Hlieb trying to free that hand, that glove. The seconds ticking away in this round as well. And there we have it. Just got stuck in that position. And when you look at the gloves as well, these are the amateur gloves, the 8-ounce gloves. They can cause some issues when you're trying to put submissions on, but also when you're trying to escape those thicker, larger gloves. There we have it. Tajikistan's Akhmadzhon Kakhorov takes the victory there. Brilliant.